Okay, this lesson is called combining. You're going to combine like terms. So these are things that are the same. So if you have 7w plus 2w, you can put them together. 7 plus 2 is 9w. But if you have 7w plus 2w minus 3, see these two have the w, this one has no w. So you still do these two together. So you get 9w, and then you copy this, minus 3, and you're finished. You're finished because this one has a letter, this one has no letter. So that one's simplified. This is how we simplify. All right, let's try another one. If I have 8x plus 2 minus 3x. So this one has an x, this one has an x. So you have 8x, and then you have minus 3x. So 8 minus 3 is 5x. And then what do I have left? I have this left. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put this here, plus 2. And it's finished. So if you have 3m plus m minus 2. So this one has an m and an m. So I'm going to put this one and this one together, and it's plus in front of the m. So 3m plus m, this has an imaginary 1. So this gives you 4m, and then you still have minus 2. But here you are finished. That's all you can do. That one is finished. You combined and you simplified. Sometimes you have 4x plus 3x squared minus 2x. This one is tricky. This one and this one are the same. This one is different because it has a power. So it's different. So I can do these two together. So 4x minus 2x is 2x. And then I copy this one, plus 3x squared. And I'm finished. They both have x, but this one has a square, so it's different. So this is your answer right here. This is the answer. All right. Let's try another one. Oh, this is one of my favorite ones. 3a plus 4a minus 7a. Now they all have it. They all have a. So we do these two. 3a plus 4a is 7a. And then we copy this, minus 7a. So 7 minus 7 is 0a, which is just 0. You just put 0 for that. The answer is 0. Okay. Let's look at another one here. Okay, that's a good one there. So let's try this. Now we're going to have 4 terms. 7x plus 12 minus 8 plus 3x. So now you got to figure out which ones are the same. So this one has an x and this one has an x. So I'm going to put a circle. Those two go together. This one is a number and this one is a number. So that means these two go together. So let's do these two first. 7x plus 3x is 10x. And then here, 12 minus 8 is 4. And then it's positive 4, so we put plus 4 because the 12 is bigger, so it's plus 4. All right, let's do another one. Kind of like that one. Let's do 3 plus 2b minus 8b plus 5. So now you have to decide which ones are the same. Well, 3 is a number and 5 is a number, so they can go together. These two will go together. And then I have a b and a b. So that means this one and this one will go together. Let's do the number first. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And then we have 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is 6, and it's a negative, so I'm going to put minus 6. And then I put my letter B, and that's my answer. 8 is my coefficient, or my constant, minus 6b. Okay. Let's do this one. What if you have 3 times x plus 1 minus 6 plus x? So now this one is a little bit different. What you're going to do first is the multiplying, the parenthesis. So you're going to take 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is 3, and it's plus. And then I'm going to copy everything else. Now, which ones are the same? Well, this one has an x, and this one has an x. So that means those two can go together. And then these are numbers. This one's a number, and this one's a number. So the numbers go together. All right, so 3x plus x. Remember, there's a 1 here. So 3 plus 1 is 4x. And then we have 3 minus 6. Well, that's 3. And 6 is bigger, so it's going to be minus 3. Okay, now you're going to go back to Canvas and you're going to do the practice and submit your assignment.